bitch.
Oh, damn, Tim. Man, you fucking scared the shit out of me, bro. Fucking hell, bro. What'd you do?
I got me a barbecue pit from the side of the road. I just need you to come fix it up for me.
You walk the damn thing all the way over here.
About 2 miles.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Bring it on in, man. Come on. Man, 2 miles, bro. 2 miles.
Yeah, about 2 miles. Get some of
Hey, you need a beer?
Hell yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna go get you a beer. Just set her on the side right here somewhere. I know you dehydrated. Get you some hydration, buddy.
Let me hydrate.
Alright, what's going on with this thing? Looks pretty good. Oh, damn.
Firebox is rusted out.
We got some rust, dude. Oh, damn. Hell yeah, man. We'll fix this son of a bitch right up, dude.
Alright.
Right up, man.
That's what I was hoping for, man.
Yo, man, you got any dip? Oh, man, I really appreciate this dip, man. Woo.
No problem, man.
I've been freaking killing.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna get one of them too.
Oh, man, no problem, man. I really appreciate it, man.
No problem. Now, where's your beer at?
Damn. I grabbed you a beer. I done forgot mine. Hey, girl, give me a beer.
I'm gonna put this ground on over here.
Where's my beer at? Thank you. Hell yeah. Man, that's beer, huh? Let's move her on over just a little bit here. Let's get her in the welding machine position.
Alright.
Oh, right there's fine. Right there's fine. Let's see what's going on. Oh damn, yeah. She needs some fixing up. You got a little rust there.
Yeah, but still ain't bad for free.
No, that's not bad for free, man. Not at all. Man, it's got a thermometer.
I was thinking a little bit of duct tape to fix it, but
I don't know, man.
well, just duct tape every time you cook.
Yeah, but then you gotta risk it falling apart. We could put a chain. Chain won't. Well, then you can't
Chain
get to the
won't break.
firebox. Guess we're just gonna have to weld some bitch.
Yeah.
Well, damn.
Where's your plug at, boy?
My plug. Oh, you're talking about that plug. Okay.
Yeah, your electrical plug there,
my
boy.
bad, my bad. I need my hood.
Where's that at? There's
Nope.
my bag.
I found my hood.
Alright.
Oh man, look. Cheers.
Cheers. Free cooking.
We're gonna get this son of a bitch going. Oh man, let's get this thing well. I gotta take my Make America Great Again hat off.
Hell yeah, you don't mess that up.
Nope. Alright, let's get this son of a bitch going. Alright, so we need to weld this son of a bitch up.
We need to weld it somewhere around here, over here, and back here.
Alright, well, let's get this thing going. Short sleeves, ain't no problem.
That burns only make you better.
No, it's goddamn redneck sunburn, bruh. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
Man, that's a pretty welding right there, boy. I'll tell you what, man, looks like a stick rod to some bitch.
Well, let me be the judge of this here, son bitch. That ain't that bad, considering what you're working with.
Some rusty ass nail on a little 110 MIG machine straight from freaking Harbor Freight. That's the best motherfucker I ever been.
I don't like going to Harbor Freight.
Why the fuck
Because
not?
I always spend my whole paycheck there.
I hear you on that one.
There's so much good shit in that son bitch, it's retarded.
I done convinced the wife that I was gonna buy me a welding machine. She was like, "You ever gonna use it?" And what? Look at
Well,
this.
here you go.
I'm using it.
So remember that time I helped Timmy with his barbecue pit?
Exactly. I gotta sit my ass on the ground. It's getting hot. This song bit. All right.
Oh,
Good beer. Michelob Ultra, the Mexican beer of champions.
I was drinking this here Corona Premier.
Well, that's Mexican too.
Yeah,
Goddamn Trump's gonna get rid of all damn Mexican. We ain't had no more beer.
there's that.
Let's try to get under this song bitch here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel room. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take.
I'm trying to get her just a little bit more because all that smoke gonna go through here. Let me see if I can get a tack over here.
All right.
My horse to the hotel road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the.
Woo, woo. That's why I don't like flip-flops there, boy.
Oh man, you got flip flops on, you burning over there, Bo. Tell you what, I smell something.
That's my toe.
Your toe, goddamn, Bo.
I'm gonna get me another beer. You want one?
Yeah, Bo.
Anything from keeping heartburn out your eyeballs.
Well, I don't know about the heartburn out my arms. It's alright though. I say redneck sunburn.
Amen.
Gonna take my horse to the hotel road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the hotel road.
What in the hell? Oh, the damn thing overheated. Oh shit. I was almost done with the damn thing.
Call it done.
Hell yeah, that's the redneck way, isn't it?
Hell, I'll just go scrap some bitch.
Oh goddamn, I'm scrapping. That's good.
Not scrap it. Strap
That's good, baby. Oh, scrap it. Well, duct tape works too, you know,
Hey,
for a little bit.
the whole roll will last you forever.
Alrighty. Well, I guess that's a wrap for today. And we'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna cook some damn food.
And we gonna get even back.
Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Fuck that keto.
What the hell's keto?
Gonna take my